Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can use Janitor AI for free on your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you. So let's get on it. So actually using Janitor AI is pretty simple now. All you have to do is to sign up for an account and just access the excellent features available on the platform. So you can follow the steps that I am going to show you if you are new to the application and want to use it efficiently. So the first step that you'll need to do is to simply go to the Janitor AI website. So just ensure that you don't land on similar looking fake web pages. And then after doing so, just click onto the register button present on the top right section of your screen, and after that you will have to register with an email and password, and you can also opt to register via Google, Twitter, or Discord, whatever you want. And then you can enter your details in these given columns as shown here in the picture. You can upload an image for your avatar and then just click update profile after you are done. And next, what you can do, or what you are next, is you will receive a verification email from Janitor AI. So go to your inbox and verify your account. So after that, come back to the Janitor AI and just log in or click onto the login section, and then now you can sign in using your credentials. And then next, select a chatbot from the available options to chat with. So you can find cool bots from the trending section or search according to your interests. So finally, you can start chatting with the AI powered bot. So that's it. Remember that the Janitor AI provides both a SFW and NSFW options to chat with. So you can select your chatbot according to that. So if you get involved in an inappropriate chat with an SFW bot, you might be putting your account at risks. So use the platform wisely. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.